Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is Tawhid. Today we are going to learn how to start or Bismillah Java. This is my first tutorial about beginning of Java. In this case, I am going to follow this link. This is the www.hmtmcsc.com Java Bismillah programming preparation. Here I described how we will start Java programming. In first, you have to install the JDK. In this case, I'm using the Windows, that's why here I listed that installation JDK on Windows. Then we will going to install the IntelliJ IDEA. This is one of editor of JetBrains, which is very popular editor for Java programmer. Let me show you the steps of JDK installation. This is the basically JDK installation process. I created a few month ago, so I think this will work for you also. That's why I'm not creating any SDK installation video in this particular video. And the second thing is that I'm going to use IntelliJ IDE. That's why I'm showing this link to you. This is the process of how you install IntelliJ IDEA. This is very useful editor. Let's begin, and I will put my address in description so that you guys can find my site and know how to set up a Java environment. Let's begin. In this case, I'm going to use IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. I'm clicking on it. Okay, this is basically the ID. I already worked here many times, that's why it showing this window. If not show that window, that would be not uh, that would not be surprising. So if you go to my create Bismillah project in here, then you will get the screen. It could be comes like this. In my case now it coming this way because I already created one of a project. Okay, now for start Java, click on file, then next, project. In this section here many types of project you can create if you want. For this tutorial we are going to create Java, then clicking on next. We may create a sample project, but I'm not using this option. Next. In these cases I have to specify the location of the storage and the name of the project. In this case I am writing here Java Bismillah or start. Okay, now I'm clicking on finish. It sometimes asks if you have already been open another editor. In this case I am using this window, or we may use a new window. In this case I am using this window. Okay, this is the basic structure of IntelliJ IDEA. So now we are going to create one package, and then we will create the basic of Java programming. In this case I am clicking on, in left panel I am clicking on src, then clicking on new. I am creating a package. The package name will be com.hmtmcsc. This package name could be anything. If you want, then you can give your website in reverse way. This is the Java convention. They are using package name reverse way of any domain. In this case I written here com.hmtmcsc. Now I'm going to create a class file. Right click here, new Java class. I'm giving the name of Java class. start Bismillah or start strt. Okay, now you are seeing this is the basic Java class. So now we are going to create a main method. In this case I am using the shortcut. You may write the full code by your own. That is, shortcut is public static void main. This is PSVM, and I'm going to press on tab from my keyboard. Yes, it's came in, and the same thing you can write by yourself like this: public static void main, and then it will take some argument, string, array, then I'm passing the args, and this is the case. Okay, now we are going to print one of line for Java. System dot out dot println. This will print a new line. Here you are seeing in middle of parenthesis I am going to write a text, that is Java Bismillah or start project. Okay, now we created the basic program. Now I'm going to run that program. In this case there is very many way to there are a variety of way to run this project, but I'm going to right click on it and clicking on run Bismillah on start and main method. Okay, now you are seeing the Java Bismillah or start project print this text in console. This is the console panel actually, and now you are seeing here the other options are came. You may debug or other task from here. This is the basically basics of Java starting. I hope this video will help you. So if you think the video is helpful to you, please subscribe my channel, because of I love to share my knowledge with others. Thanks.